Hi, welcome to the Learn with Sue channel, and today we're going to continue talking about the bookmarks in Artistly. And what I wanted to show you today is how we can upscale and convert them into 300 dpi images inside of Artistly. Now, this is best right now when you don't need to remove any background. So if you don't mind the bookmarks with the white backgrounds, then this is going to work. They do have a background remover in Artistly, but it's not perfect at the moment, so I would use a different program at the moment to change to remove any background. So what you want to do is, once you've created the bookmarks, then you can decide which ones that you want to keep. So we'll just have a look here. We'll just keep a couple of these, and I'll show you how you can upscale and change them to the 300 dpi. So what you want to do here, come back to the top here and go to, it says AI bulk actions. And that's going to say create new action. Now at this time, you cannot save actions, so you have to rebuild them every single time, but it's fairly easy to do. So we're just going to create a new action. Now you can either drag files that you have from your computer, or you choose from the library that you have in Artistly. So let's just let's just select a couple of these. Let's take these three here, and you're going to select the three buttons at the top, then let them load. And then you're going to hit the plus to add the next step. So these are all your options. Like I said, they do have remove background, but it's not perfect. So first of all, we want to upscale the image. So we're going to upscale the image, and then we're going to only upscale here. Then we add the next step, which is going to be convert to 300 dpi. And pretty much that's what you have to do. And then you're going to build the action, enter a title for it, so that you can find them again. Just put that here, and then click the build button, and then it will run. Now these are going to appear in right with all your other creations. We just have to wait for them to process here. So as these appear under processing, if you click on it, you'll still see here the status that says processing, so it's not quite finished yet. And then you can see the steps at the bottom. It's upscale the image. Now it's going to convert to 300 dpi. So we're just going to let that run. And again, it can just take a little bit of time for that to do all the steps. Okay, so they're still processing it, but I'll show you the one that I did earlier. So I did this one earlier. Now if you check into all the details, it'll say the status is now private, so it means it's done. But you can see the bulk actions. Now you can see that the aspect ratio and the dimensions are much, they have been upscaled. So what you can do here is we can just come out of this, just download it to your computer. And then we'll just find out where we put it. And okay, so then once you download to your computer, just click on it, then do right click and go to properties. And then what you do, if you go under details here, then you can see the size, the pixels, and now we can see that they're 300 dpi. So now that you know this is the upscaled version, then I would just save this into a folder that says upscaled, and then you are ready to go. And if anything, you can just load these into Canva or PowerPoint into your bookmarks. You still, sometimes you do have to fine tune the size a little bit, but I found that is the best way for it to work there. And then you can see these ones are still processing here, so it does take a little bit of time. It depends how many people are in the queue to get these done, but I wanted to show you how you can do that. So remember, it's just the AI bulk actions. Build your steps, or build your actions with steps, and then you can just repeat the process, and then you can have them all upscaled and ready to go inside Artistly. So I hope that helps. If you have any questions about it, please let me know. And again, this was Sue from the Learn with Sue channel. Thank you.